Good morning. I need it quiet. We're gonna have a short explanation and then we're gonna have an activity that you guys are gonna be able to play for most of the class. It's a fun activity, so you guys are gonna have a good game. A good day. It is not dodgeball. We will never play dodgeball. Surprise, surprise. We had a great warm-up, but one thing in this class I like, you guys always have a perfect warm-up, okay? Like, you come out, you set your waters down, you do all the exercises, and what I mean by perfect is you're trying and you're listening to the directions. You're not always, sometimes people stop because they get tired or whatever. That's fine, as long as you guys are putting in effort. That's all me and Coach Miller care about, right? And then you're done, you listen, you walk over, and one thing I really like that for some reason even a lot of the 5th graders are having trouble with, but you guys as 3rd graders are doing perfect on, is you set your water bottles down, you take a drink of water, and you walk over and you sit down. And you don't wait for directions, you do exactly what we've already taught you. So awesome job, I appreciate that. Nice hat. Okay, so it's Thanksgiving week. Thanksgiving month. So instead of chicken coop, this is called turkey coop. Alright? So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you guys a quick refresher of how we play this. I think this group has maybe played this once before, but I'm gonna give the directions again. Not 5 times, definitely not 5 times. Alright. So, look out on the field. Look for the orange cones. Do you guys see the orange cones? The orange cones are the midline of the field, the middle line of the field. That means half of the field is on one side of the orange cones and the other half is on the other side. There are 2 teams in this game. There is a blue team and a green team. If I'm on the blue team, I'm on this side because you can look and you see the turkey coop is a big blue circle, okay? So whatever color the turkey coop is, that's the color of the team on that side. On that side, what color turkey coop is that? Green. So what team is on that side? No, the green team. Whatever color the turkey coop is, that's the color of the team. You might be getting confused because you see the square of blue cones. That's the jail. You guys remember when you get tagged, you go to the jail? The jail is the color of the team who gets tagged. So for example, if I have a blue pool noodle and I get tagged, that means I walk across to the blue jail. So pretty much your noodle matches the jail. Does that make sense? So, what team is on that side? Green, good. What team is on this side? Blue, good. All right, so, Georgie, stand up. Grab a green one. All right, so let's say I'm on blue, she's on green. Walk over here. Am I on the correct side? Yes. So, my goal is to run across, go past the green side, and get into their green turkey coop. Inside the turkey coop, there's 25 eggs. I'm trying to steal as many of those eggs as possible and run them back to my side. The reason that's hard to do is because the green team is going to try to be tagging me to get me out to go to their jail. So they're trying to protect their turkey coop. Same thing goes for my team. For the blue team, we're trying to protect our turkey coop while also stealing eggs. So there's 2 things you can do in this game. You can play offense or you can play defense. Offense would be running across the other person's field and going and stealing their egg. Defense would be trying to protect your side and protect your turkey coop. You can choose whatever you want. You can play defense for a little bit and then switch and play offense for a part of it. You can play offense for a little bit, defense. You can go back and forth. I don't care what you do. If you want to strategize with your team, that's fine. Okay? So, let's say the game starts. I'm on the blue side, she's on the green side. Game starts. I'm thinking, okay, I want to go over to the turkey coop. If I run across, now I'm on the green side. I can be tagged. So Georgie will try to tag me. She's chasing me. She tagged me with her pool noodle. She didn't go like this and whack me. She didn't tag me with her hand. She didn't push me. She didn't hit me in the face. She just went like this and tagged me like that. Okay? I get tagged. When you get tagged, you have to hold your hand up like this and walk over to the jail. Now I'm in the jail. Remember what I said, the jail will match the color of your noodle. Now, if Georgie ran across and I tagged her when she got on my side, that would mean she was out. What does she do when she's out? You can say it. Raises the pool noodle. So she raises it up and she walks where? Green jail, good. Here's a suggestion. When you see somebody with their hand up and the noodle up in the air like this, do not go up and tag them. That's an issue we've had in the past. Is we'll go up and we'll see someone with the noodles up and they go up and we start hitting them or tagging them and it makes other people upset because they're like, I'm out already. So my suggestion, 1, if someone's arm is up, don't tag them. 2, if you're out, put your arm up, and if someone does tag you, don't yell and get upset. It's fine, that happens all the time. Stay calm and just say to them, I'm already out, and then finish walking to wherever you're walking. All right, now, let's say I run across, or let's say Georgie runs across and successfully gets into that my blue turkey coop. Go ahead. Let's say I tried to tag her, but I missed, right? She ran across, I tried to tag her, but I missed. The second she gets into that blue turkey coop, into that circle, when she steps into it, she is now safe. Kind of like bases in a baseball game. Once you're on that, once you have your foot on it, you're safe. So now she is safe. There's a special thing she can do when she's in there. She can throw one of the eggs back to her side. Only one throw. The rest of the eggs she brings back, she has to carry and run back. So that's the second challenge. If you reach there without getting tagged, that's good. That's about 50% of the work. Now you have to run with the eggs back to your side. You can pick up as many eggs as you want to. I would suggest maybe 2, 1 in each arm. You can run with that. You pick up 1. If you can hold 3 or 4, you can try. It makes it a lot harder to run. Do not stick them in your shirt. People like to put them up their shirt and run with them. Yeah, it holds the eggs, but I don't want the equipment in your shirt like that. Does that make sense? Hold the question, hold on. So, if she grabs an egg, she can throw one across to try to get back to her side to get a free egg for her side. And let's say she does that already, and now she wants to run back. If she threw one, that one didn't reach, that's okay. Her team can just grab it and put it back in the turkey coop. Or the defending blue team can pick it up and put it back in the turkey coop. Alright, so pick one egg up and run back to this. Now she's trying to get it back to her side to score points. Let's say if she's running and I go like this and I tag her, there's a couple things she has to do. She needs to go to jail. Well, actually, whoa. What does she do first? Say it out loud. No, first thing, she raises her noodle up in the air. The second you get tagged, I want you to raise it up to signal I'm out. What's the second thing she does? Say it. Good. She brings it back. She brings the ball back to the chicken coop. So I tag back her. Like this. She's out. Arm goes up, and she has to walk the egg back to the turkey coop. That's a little different. If you get tagged and you don't have an egg in your hand, you just go like this, and you walk straight to the jail. If you get tagged and you have the egg in your hand, you have to walk it back to the jail. I don't want you to walk halfway over.